Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Trends Pick. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Here you will find the mixture of beauty and fashion. So before any further delay, let's get into the topic. Today we are diving into the top 10 wardrobe essentials that everyone needs in 2025. So let's build a timeless and versatile wardrobe together. So just relax and take a cup of coffee. So let's start now. The first essential we have is the black dress. Starting with the classic, the black dress, whether it's for cocktail party, date night, or a formal event, the black dress is a lifesaver. Look for a style that flatters your body shape and can easily transition from day to night. I'm also adding some photos for example. Next up, the second option we have in top 10 list is classic jeans. Whether it's high rise, straight leg, or slightly relaxed, a good pair of jeans is a wardrobe hero. Pair them with the simple t-shirt for casual outings or dress them up with the blazer for chic and effortless look. And the third option we have is blazer. This piece is a game changer. A blazer can add confidence to your outfit. It instantly elevates any outfit and take you from office meeting to casual dinners with ease. In blazer, neutral tone like black, beige or grey are the most versatile, so you can think on that. Okay, let's move on to the fourth option we have is cardigan. Nothing beats a cozy cardigan for layering in style. It's perfect for chilly days and can throw it over a dress, tank top or even jeans for a relaxed yet polished look. So this is how you can style cardigan in many ways. Now it's time to find out what comes on fifth option, crewneck sweater. Let's not forget the crewneck sweater. This versatile piece adds warmth and style to any outfit. Go for neutral or pastel tones for maximum versatility. So for the sixth option we have my all-time favorite trench coat. A trench coat is wardrobe must-have. It's timeless, stylish and practical. Perfect for those unpredictable weather days and layering over just about anything. So let's move on to the seventh option we have is ribbed tank. A ribbed tank top is one of the most underrated essential. It's minimal, comfortable and great for layering or wearing on its own with jeans or skirt. Now we have leather loafers for eighth option. Let's talk footwear. Leather loafers. They are not only chic but also super comfortable for long hours, perfect for both professional and casual outfits. For the ninth option we have pencil skirt in the list. A classic piece, pencil skirt is your go-to for polished professional looks. Pair it with the tucked in blouse or a blazer for sleek office ready outfit. Okay, now it's time for the final 10th option we have is the white t-shirt. This simple piece is incredibly versatile and can be styled with almost anything in your wardrobe. So make sure to invest in a high quality one that lasts. And there you have it, top 10 wardrobe essentials that are timeless, stylish and perfect for 2025. Remember, these pieces are the foundation of a versatile wardrobe and can help you create countless outfits with ease. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below sharing your wardrobe must-have, and subscribe to Top Trend Picks for more amazing fashion tips and ideas. Until next time, stay stylish and I'll see you in the next video.